Let's review what we learned yesterday in class. We discussed that one strategy to help us subtract numbers more quickly and more fluently is to break apart a one-digit number into two smaller parts. Let's look at this example, 35 minus 8. Let's find a way that we can break apart 8 into two smaller numbers. One of the quicker ways to help us solve this problem more quickly and fluently is to break apart 8 into a digit of 5 and a digit of 3. This way, we can subtract the number 35 and 5. This makes things a little bit easier for us because in the number 35, there's already a digit of 5 in the ones place. This means that when we subtract the equation 35 minus 5, we end up with a friendly number or a number that represents a group of 10 with a 0 in the ones place. In this case, 35 minus 5 equals 30. Now we have our leftover 3, since 5 plus 3 equals 8. We took away the 5, now we need to take away the 3. This leaves us with the equation 30 minus 3 equals 27. Let's double check our work. Another way we can solve this equation using a visual is by using our base 10 or our place value blocks. Let's do the same thing we just did with our written equations. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's take away our digit of 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5. We've taken away 5 blocks. That leaves us with our 10, 20, 30 blocks left, or our 3 groups of 10. We took away the 5. Now we need to take away the 3, since again, 5 plus 3 equals 8, and we are subtracting 8 from 35. I'm going to cross out the blocks since I can't actually take apart my digital blocks. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3. This leaves me with 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Both using our typed equations and our place value blocks, we can see that if we break the 8 that we are subtracting into two smaller parts, 5 and 3, this helps us solve more quickly. Since again, we first end up with a friendly number. When we take away 5, it leaves us with an exact amount of 30. Then all we have to do is count back 3 to end up with our difference of 27.